Hello friends, this timeline of codes is working as a password generator here. We can generate the random password. I have used all the possible combinations of password that can be uh, participate in our password, means the characters here. I have used a capital, small or numerical and the symbols, and we have used here a range functions which will iterate or a slice or any random characters from this password combinations, and it will append it into the password here. And we will get our password with the length of 10 here, cause I am using here 10. We can use it as 8 also. How many times we will iterate the loop or for loop, the length of our password will be that. Let's check it once. Here we go, we got our password, that is 3ddai, x.